In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Typeform efficiently and seamlessly across various platforms. Sharing your Typeform is straightforward and can be tailored to your specific needs, whether you're aiming to distribute it widely across social media, embed it into your website, or include it in an email campaign. Let's dive in and explore these options step by step to ensure you're getting the most out of your Typeform. First, let's discuss how you can share your Typeform via a direct link, email, or even a QR code. Once you've finalized your form, head over to the top right corner of the form builder and click the Share button. It's important to note that if your form hasn't gone live yet, doing this will publish it, making it accessible to your audience. Once you click Share, you'll be taken to the Share panel, where you have several sharing methods at your fingertips. For starters, if you want to simply share the URL of your form, just click on the Copy Link option. This will give you a direct link that you can distribute as you see fit. If emailing is more your style, click on the email icon. This will open your default email client with the form link automatically inserted and ready for you to send out. For something a bit more visually engaging, consider using a QR code. By clicking the QR code icon, you can create a scannable code that anyone can use to access your form easily. And if you're fluent in social media, click the social media icons to share your form directly on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or X, previously known as Twitter. Next up, let's talk about embedding your Typeform directly onto your website. From the same Share panel, look for the option labeled Embed in a web page. Here, you need to choose the type of embed that best fits the design and functionality of your website. You have a few options such as standard embed, pop-up, or slider. Each choice offers a different style that can complement your website's look. Once you've made your selection, copy the provided HTML code. Now, head over to your website's source code and paste this embed code into the section where you'd like the form to appear. This way, visitors to your website can interact with your form as part of their browsing experience. Finally, if you want to include the form in an email, there's an option for that too. Again, within the Share panel, you'll find Embed in an email. Depending on the email marketing platform you're using, be it MailChimp or another service, follow the specific instructions provided. This will allow you to embed the form directly into your email, making it easier for recipients to access and fill it out right from their inbox. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing your Typeform in a way that suits your audience and your goals. By taking advantage of these methods, you're opening up numerous avenues for engagement and data collection.